Now I'm in US for almost 4.5 years. But I never ever traveled in a bus from one city to another. And the reason is actually quite obvious because bus system sucks here in US. Only where few big cities are kind of nearby, over there only bus system is good and people actually use buses. But otherwise if you go out in a rural area, no one uses buses. And I always get many comments on my airline review videos. Why I always travel in plane, why not bus? So today I am going to change things. This video is not airline review, this is a bus review. Now I am at Greyhound bus stop in San Diego and I will be taking this bus from San Diego to LA. So San Diego and LA are pretty big cities and they are fairly close to each other. I am going to take this express bus from San Diego to LA, which will take around 2.5 to 3 hours. Let's go.
This review will be based on three categories. First, seating and overall comfort of ride. Second, on-time performance. And third, cleanliness and hygiene. Before I get into review, first some general information. You can book tickets online well in advance on Greyhound website. And when you show up at the bus stop, you just have to show the confirmation email. Ticket prices are fairly cheap, so this one costed me $13 from San Diego to Los Angeles. But again, it depends on route to route. I noticed there are some routes which are very expensive. You do get one free check-in bag. So they will give you this baggage tag and you just have to put it on your bag. That means this bag will go in this big trunk under the seats. Also, bus stop had all the amenities like washroom, some vending machines, seating arrangement, etc. Now let's talk about seating. To be honest, seats are much better than aeroplane seats. They are quite big, very soft, very thick, so I was happy about seats. One weird thing about seats I observed here is the entire seats can move forward and backward. So in between some seats there is very less space, and in between some seats there is a huge space. If there is no one in the row behind you or in the row in front of you, then you can move your seat and make more space for you. Ride quality was good, it was not like very bumpy or something. You can easily fall asleep on the bus. Unfortunately for me, this electric socket was not working, but I think this is just only to this specific seat. I saw some people charging their phone elsewhere in the bus. Wi-Fi also was available on the board, but my phone had a pretty good connectivity already, so I did not use their Wi-Fi. Then second, on-time performance.
Alright everyone, next stop will be Long Beach. Próxima parada, Long Beach.
I was really impressed about their on-time performance. Bus started earlier than scheduled time.
Bus started 2 minutes earlier than their scheduled time.
And we reached to LA just 5 minutes late. And that was also because of traffic in LA. 10 out of 10 on on-time performance.
This one is express bus, which means it doesn't stop anywhere in between San Diego and LA. So if you go by your own car, it will take around 2.5 hours to go from San Diego to LA. And this bus takes exactly same time.
And lastly, hygiene and cleanliness. Many people have this idea that buses are not clean, but in my experience it was not like that. So bus was pretty clean as plane. Surprisingly, this bus comes with a bathroom. Now the problem with bathroom was there was no light inside bathroom. So I wanted to shoot a bathroom as well, but I couldn't see anything at all. So I don't know if bathroom was clean or not. But apart from bathroom, bus was clean. And it's time to get down. So to sum up, it had very comfortable seating arrangement, great on-time performance, and I'm not sure about bathroom, but bus was pretty clean. Overall, it was good experience. If given a chance, I would go again.
Welcome to Los Angeles.
If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And now it's time for me to go and check out Hollywood. Bye bye for now, and I will see you in the next one.